If you are wondering if you can set up speed dial on a Google Pixel 11, then the answer is no. Unfortunately, on Google Pixel 11, we do not have a built-in speed dial feature. Usually, of course, it is available on, for example, Samsung Galaxy smartphones by pressing and holding the number that you want to set up as a speed dial. So if I press and hold number 2, for example, I should be able to set it up. I should be able to choose the contact that I want to quickly call by pressing and holding number 2, but that is not the case here. Instead, you can use, for example, favorites over here. You can use that section to be able to quickly pick any of these contacts that you have on your phone to quickly call them. Or what you can also do is you can create home screen shortcuts. So if you go to details of any of these contacts, then you can find add to home screen, and then we can, for example, press and hold our finger on this widget and we can add it to the home screen. So then you can use that widget to quickly dial someone. Of course, we can also make this widget smaller like that. And there we go. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.